If you're a woman over 40 sitting on your couch thinking, I want to start an online business, but everything feels so overwhelming, then you are exactly who I made this video for. Today, I'm breaking down 5 simple Pinterest tips I wish I knew when I started. By the end of this video, you will know the easiest, least stressful way to begin, even if you're not techie at all. The first thing you need to know is that Pinterest is a search engine, not a social media platform. When I first started, I wasted months treating Pinterest like Instagram. I thought I needed followers, perfect feed, and constant posts. No. Pinterest doesn't work like that. Pinterest is more like a Google. People come here to search for ideas, solutions, inspirations, and tutorials, and products they can actually buy. And this is perfect for women over 40 because you don't need trends. You don't need to show your face and you don't need to be on all the time. You don't need to post daily. Pinterest is quiet, calm, and evergreen, just how we like it. But here's the part nobody told me in the beginning, and this changed everything. Keywords matter more than design. On Pinterest, what you write is more important than how pretty your pin looks. Your title, description, your board names tell Pinterest exactly who your pin should reach. So instead of writing something simple like my weekly planner, try writing weekly planner for busy moms over 40. Or you can say print planners to help women over 40 to stay organized. This helps Pinterest show your content to your people. The algorithm loves clarity. And this next tip is a total lifesaver for overwhelmed moms. You don't need to post every day. One thing women in our age group always stress about is consistency because we are juggling between million things, like kids, work, home, and everything else. So take a deep breath. You do not need to post daily on Pinterest because the Pinterest works slow and steady. Your pins live on Pinterest for months and over years. Pins live for months and even years. So while you are living your life, you're cooking, cleaning, working, and resting, Pinterest keeps working in the background. Now, this next one is where most 40 plus beginners get stuck, and you don't need to. Speak directly to women like you. When I first started, I tried to sound like young creators. Like I wanted to be more aesthetic, trendy, and perfect. But honestly, your power is in being you. Speak to women who are like you, over 40, starting fresh, trying their best, wanting something simple, needing clarity and not the chaos. So your profile can say things like helping women 40 plus start simple online businesses, Pinterest tips for moms starting over, or maybe passive income for beginners 40 plus. The moment you speak directly to your person, she finds you. She's going to trust you. And most importantly, she's going to stay with you. And this last one is the biggest confidence booster for every beginner. Your first 10 pins don't need to be perfect. I know how our mind work at 40 plus. We want things to be neat, organized, and presentable. But your first 10 pins are just practice. They are supposed to be simple, they're supposed to be imperfect, and they're supposed to teach you. Once you create 10 to 15 pins, you will understand Pinterest. You will feel more confident. You will know your style, and you will stop feeling scared because action builds confidence, not the perfection. If you're a woman over 40, starting your online business journey and Pinterest feels like the calmest place to begin, you're in the right place. And I make simple beginner friendly videos, especially for women like you. So hit subscribe and comment below I'm starting over 40 so that I can cheer you on.